Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix AliExpress coupon not working. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and make sure that your AliExpress cart does meet the minimum spend. So the order total, excluding shipping costs, must meet the exact threshold required by the promo code. Some coupons only apply to specific items or store categories. Check your AliExpress coupon wallet and tap on Use Now. If that is not the case, it could also be your Wi-Fi. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Always ensure that VPN is off and try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and try uninstalling and reinstalling the app, which should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.